Introducing our full line of gas connectors for both residential and commercial use. Available in a variety of diameters, lengths, and end fittings, these connectors are suitable for a wide range of applications. Constructed from 304 stainless steel, they offer excellent corrosion resistance, and the epoxy coating is tightly bonded to the tubing, providing safety even under sudden temperature changes. Certified by CSA, KS, and KGS AA 535. These products meet the highest standards of quality and safety. Gas connectors equipped with the gas top automatic shutoff device immediately block gas flow in the event of a leak, helping minimize damage. Commercial gas connectors are used in restaurant kitchens to connect gas lines to appliances. They come with an antibacterial PVC protective coating, reducing the risk of food contamination and offering superior hygiene.